Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa out of cherry tomatoes. Start by washing and having 1 pound of cherry tomatoes, then finely chop a 1/4 cup of onion and a handful of cilantro. Squeeze 1 lime over the mix, add a pinch of salt and a small diced chili for heat. Taste and adjust seasoning gradually, then let the salsa rest for 10 minutes to meld flavors. Gather your tools and prepare the produce with calm focus, so each step flows naturally. Use a serrated or very sharp knife to have tomatoes without bruising, and set aside a small bowl for lime juice. If you like a chunkier texture, pulse briefly in a food processor rather than pureeing. Keep tasting as you go and adjust heat and salt gradually to match your preference. Think about balance as you season. Acid, salt, and a hint of sweetness lift the cherry tomato flavor beautifully. Start with 1 lime and a pinch of salt, then add a small pinch of sugar only if needed. Stir in chopped cilantro last to keep it vibrant and fresh, and let the salsa rest briefly so flavors mingle. Taste again before serving and adjust heat with more chili if desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.